So, Joshua, you were just telling us about cloning. You were saying...
Oh, yeah.
Right.
Yeah. And this, it began far, far away in Romania. No, that's a wrong flashback. Well, a long time ago, in my bedroom, I one day thought that I should make a clone. Not of a living thing, of course, because for all I know, I could kill it. So I started to gather the ingredients. Like, I got some small grains of wheat for the minerals and stuff. I also got some I also squeezed the juice out of a couple of strawberries. I still got a couple of dried strawberries in my room. And yeah, I also put some of my hair in it for DNA. Oh, shut up! Sorry, Mum.
I will give you a monster truck after I have my dinner. Sit down. Sure.
Yeah, so I put the stuff in it. So I got one of those aliens, those small gooey aliens in the pods with that slime. And so I put it in there, and I kept on adding some special ingredients. And then one of my pet snails fell in there, and I thought, oh no! So I tried to get it out, and it took it 5 seconds for me to get it out. But guess what? When I managed to take it out, it was really stiff for some reason, and I thought, what the hell? And yeah, I thought I should not let any more of my pet snails near that, so I didn't. And yeah, then one day the clone was silver and stuff. Well, the thing I was basing the clone on was silver, and then I noticed the small thing bobbing, and it looked exactly the same as the other one, apart from that it was smaller, where the first one was that big, and then the other one was that big. And yeah, I had made a clone, not of a living creature, but of a toy. That is my clone.
So hang on a minute. If you can make a clone of a toy, right, then you could actually have a little clone factory of toys and like make clones of Lego men and stuff like that. So why haven't you turned your mind to this yet?
Well, I can't really. Oh yeah, when I took the alien thing back out again, and the bigger one that I had based the clone on, it was a bit, well,
Yes.
it had turned bluish ting a bit, so yeah.
Oh, it kind of like ruined your other toys.
Yeah, it would ruin my toy.
Right, so this is why you won't be using that method to produce extra clones of Lego.
And my mum didn't know what it was, and she did it in the bin. And that is my end. It's the end of my clone. Switch off the camera.